We are stuck. Casey to the rescue. Pretty deep. Well, looks can be deceiving. I thought I'd plow right through that. I did not. Got stuck. Good thing Casey helped me get out a little bit with a snow blower. Had to dig the rest because I was high centered. But we got a lot of snow. Well, I asked God for snow for the new cabin. He gave us 70 inches in the last 36 hours. Adam's sleds are buried on that trailer. Roof's doing a pretty good job at shedding snow, except over the porch where there's no heat coming from underneath. This is the first time it stopped snowing since Friday. This is what it's all about. Took the sleds out for a rip today. Conditions weren't great, but better than sitting at home. Got Harry out here on Lake Titicaca shoveling off a ice rink for Rachel. She's gonna do some ice skating today. I prefer to not go to the ER, so I will not be. But we are going skiing. Got the roof shoveled off. It's a lot easier. We can just step up on it from the snowbanks. Yep, there's a snowmobile underneath me. Crazy. I learned having a camp in Tug Hill. Oh, number one, don't have anything on the ground.
Oh, I thought you were talking to me. Sorry.
My generator's down here, so it's underneath here. I had to shovel all this out to get to it. Yes, that's how much snow there is here. I'm not even standing on the ground yet. This is nuts.